The subject of crashworthiness applies not only to automobiles, but it also applies to farm, lawn, and construction equipment. The best way to explain crashworthiness is by example. We know, and the manufacturers of automobiles know, that crashes, accidents are going to happen. They have ever since we've had cars. So, a long time ago, manufacturers of cars realized that if these accidents are going to happen, what can we do to make the injuries either non-existent or less severe? Well, as a result, what we have in our cars are seat belts, airbags, padded dashes, collapsible steering wheels, and I could go on and on. That same principle applies in the lawn, farm, and construction equipment as well. A rollover protective system is a crashworthiness device. What do I mean by that? It doesn't prevent the accident, the rollover, but what it does do is it protects the operator when these rollovers happen, so the operator can walk away with minimal, if any, injuries.